In this video I will show you fastest way to transform a cartoon drawing to lines and make it transparent in Photoshop. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl U, saturation -100. Press OK. Drag the copy this layer. Change the blending mood color dodge. Press Ctrl L to levels. Adjust the settings. Press OK. Press Shift to select and group all layers. Go to Select and choose Color Range. Select this color. Click on Image. Click on Invert. Press OK. Click on Layer Mask. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.